Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Finch app. Finch is a mental wellness app and self-care app designed to help users to build healthy habits and improve their overall well-being. The app features a virtual pet bird that grows and thrives as you complete self-care activities such as mood tracking, journaling and mindfulness exercises. Finch combines habit building with gamification, making daily self-care engaging and rewarding. And in this video we'll guide you step by step on how to download and install the Finch app on your iPhone. So first you need to unlock your iPhone and open to your app store. Once you reach into this app store dashboard, on the bottom there's a search icon. Tap on the search icon and type down Finch. Over here you need to select the Finch self-care pet, and once you find the app, tap to this get icon. You may need to confirm using Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Simply double click to install it, and that is it. And once the installation is complete, you can tap open. The Finch app will launch and you'll be welcomed with a friendly introduction, and you can start setting up your self-care goals and meet your virtual Finch pet. And that is it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the Finch app on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any trouble or question, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.